Hey everyone, I'm really excited. We got a fantastic car I'm going to show you today, a 1969 Dodge Daytona. Now remember, you can go to volocars.com. You'll see all the pictures top to bottom, along with a few hundred other cars for sale. But we're going to give this thing a tour right now. I'm going to start it up, tell you what I know about it. Just came in, so I'm really excited that we got a Dodge Daytona here. So let's take it for a spin. It is a complete rotisserie restoration, meaning it was flipped upside down. The bottom is outstanding. This is not a pieced together car. This is an original sheet metal car. It's amazing underneath how clean all the seams and spot welds. All along the bottom, all the factory spot welds are there. They're not bondoed over. It's original floor pan, original metal, and it is extremely clean. Body's laser straight, all the gaps are fantastic. But a little bit about the Dodge Daytona. Obviously, got a big wing on the back, a nose cone in the front. This window, the Dodge Chargers, the windows are sunken in. This is made flush, all to be aerodynamic. The first car to break 200 miles an hour in the Daytona, in the NASCAR racing is the Dodge Daytona. It covers, this little trim covers the moldings here, makes it more aerodynamic. There's actually a vent here, lets the air out from in the wheel well. You got the aerodynamic nose. It was sent out to an outside company other than Chrysler, and they came up with this concept. And everyone said back then that was the ugliest car they ever seen, but it did what it was supposed to. It won races, it broke records, and that meant sales. There's just over 500 of these made. That's part of NASCAR's rules, that if you build a race car, you also have to make it available to the public. So they made just enough of them to meet NASCAR's 500 cars to the public rule. So needless to say, it's an extremely rare collectible vehicle today. It's got some very rare and valuable Kelsey Hayes wheels on redline tires. It's a numbers match 440 Magnum motor, numbers match 727 torque flight. This car is in the Daytona registry. It has the original fender tag. It has both the jacks, the jack for the back bumper and the jack for the front. I don't have those in the car, but there'll be pictures of them on the website. The dash is completely restored, has the gauges, has bucket seats. These are the correct rubber, not the reproduction plastic. And the car is done right. Motor compartment's completely detailed. Again, it is the VIN number matched motor. We bought this car from a collector that is an expert on these cars. He's owned several Daytonas. He's owned some of the Hemi cars for over $500,000-$600,000. He assured me this is the real deal. He said he'd put his word on it. This is a legitimate, genuine car, not a clone, not a made-over car. It's in outstanding condition. I'm going to fire up that 440 for you. Got a nice cam, a little lopey. But it was the aerodynamics that won the race. They actually outlawed these aerodynamic cars just a couple years later because they were winning all the races. So NASCAR wouldn't allow them to race anymore. So again, today, one of the most collectible Mopars there are. Obviously, it's an attention getter. You pull into a car show or anywhere you go, this is going to turn heads. Now, Superbird was a real cool car that came out the following year in 1970. They did make more of those. Daytona is really the one to have. Go to volocars.com. You'll see pictures of the underneath. We'll put a picture of the fender tag. This is an all metal nose on here. Obviously, headlights open up. You can feel the air being sucked in through here. So there you have it. Not every day one of these come up for sale. And let me tell you, this is a good one. I don't see how you can get one any better than this car. So visit volocars.com again to see everything that we have that's for sale. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're getting really cool cars in. We're doing better and better videos, and we're posting a few of them every day. Well, his paint is even slick to the touch. It's really aerodynamic. Thanks for watching.